cabin air filter. Open this. You have two knobs here. You turn. So you turn this one that way, it pulls out. Do the same thing for this one. Then the glove box drops down, and there's the filter housing. Put something to hold this up. Hold up there. So you pinch this on this side, and there's two more on this side. You pinch it, and the cover comes off. Now you see the airflow. The arrow goes up. Same one, put the new one same way. Owl's facing up. And you put the cover back. And it just pops in. To finish it, you hold your glove box up, you put your little knobs back in and turn it, and that's it. You finished. This helped you out. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Peace.